Hi, I'm Deanne with WTI, and today I have the Dymo LetraTag label maker. Let me show you this label maker up close. So you can use the Dymo LetraTag with an adapter like I'm using it, or you can use batteries, 4 AA batteries. It's easy to change out the LetraSet labels by just pulling out this cartridge and just popping in a new one. So to use it, all you do is turn it on, type in your font, and push print. You can see the print coming out the side right there, and then you cut, print it. And for all the functions that are on this label maker, that's why I use it a lot all throughout the house, and that's my point of view.